Abany'eishengyero b'ekibiina kya NRM bakuburayo ekiro kimwe kumalirira akeherero kaabo akatwire nikagenda omu misho mu Kyankwanzi erizooba babugana omwebembezi w'ihanga Uganda okubaasa kwongera kubasiibura ebyona byaba omu faamu ya Ngoma omu district ya Nakaseke. Abany'eishengyero baze kuhika omushomo ogwo banja kushoborera mukuru w'ihanga na munonga ebyo ebeegire kuyakeherera aka katandika.
7 acres of coffee, they would connive with the parish chief. And the parish chief gives them the money, and the guilty parish chiefs, it was proven that they would collect 300,000 off the 1 million. Then they give the 700,000 to someone who is not the intended beneficiary. Then they would also get people from other parishes who are not the intended beneficiaries and tell them the fact that you're not from this parish, I'm just helping you, so you take 500,000 and I keep 500,000. And it was connivance also with some of the NRM parish chairpersons.
Omuhandiki mukuru w'ekibiina kya NRM Richard Odong yanja kushoborera mukuru w'ihanga ari ebyo bakwenda kutandikiraho baza omu ishengyero nk'ekibiina okurwanisa obushumankuzi omu kibiina okorera hamwe n'ebindi n'ebimwe ari ebyo bakwenda kukoraho.
Politics in the appointment of technical people in government. And the agreement seems to be, sir, that we don't need to be involved as politicians. They should be appointed on merit. And they should sign performance contracts with the public service. Thank you.
Mukuru w'ihanga Jino Yoweri Kaguta Museveni tabahaburwa yayonja kubashoborera ibyo abany'eishengyero gukora no kutamana na munonga okuranisa obushumankuzi bonje kutuma ukora ebyone bashumisibwe omu Kyankwanzi.
It had become a practice in parliament. Those committee people, they were in some committees. Then they would tell public servants who are bringing their budgets to be passed by those committees of yours. So if you don't pay, we shall not pass your budget. And the committees have to pay. But there was some patriotic person who said, I can't agree to this. That person came and reported. And we captured them red-handed, these young people. So I don't want to hear that again in Parliament.
Omwanya gwa Ngoma omu Nakaseke yanja kushoboreraho kumwanya gw'ebyafaayo na munonga kyaye karutaro Rwamuresere omu bwebembezi. Mukuru w'ihanga yanja kushaba abany'eishengyero ngo baze omu ishengyero barwanise obushumankuzi abo kuba yatungire n'abanyisibwa hakiri abany'eishengyero abaguhindura omuze omukuriye nguzi ngo nibakora ebintu bitaramu na bimwe.
Let's really get rid of corruption. This is a lot of money which we are sending down. If it is well used, it will change the country. So therefore, make sure that you, the new young people, don't get polluted with this smelly problem.
Constitution oba rules and procedures zivuga parliament buli muntu yenna akwalifyinga ng'omubaka wa parliament akwalifyinga ati waddemba okwesimba ku kifo kino kyewa speaker wabayo omuntu alowooza nti kiki kati nga bano benawulidde bayombera ebisenge mu ddiiro n'ebisenge ffe abaana bawaka abamanyi n'ebisenge n'ensonda tukyasirise abagenyi bali kuyombera ki ebisenge nakyo kyanewunyisiza
ng'ababaka nkakasanga tubanguddwa mu bintu ebyenjawulo waliwo ne etiquette soba ziyita empisa ezitutendekeddwa omubaka byalina okwegera gyalina okweyisa.
If I need something from health from my people, if I need something from the education sector for my people, where do I go? How do we, how does parliament operate?
Tuleese okulaba nga tulambula biki omuntu byayinza okwekolera okwejja mu bwavu. The social transformation.
Byokuyiga bibadde bingi. Kimu ku byo bibadde kwatagana ku PDM. Muzeeyi n'asomesa abantu ku kibalo agala abantu babe mu bwavu.
amakuru aga gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.